O legado das xeracións que viviron no territorio son a paisaxe, o patrimonio cultural e a biodiversidade da Reserva da Biosfera, os ancares lucenses Montes de Navia, Cervantes e Becerreá. Os veciños dos concellos son os protagonistas da súa historia. Esta é a voz da Reserva da Biosfera, a terra dos nosos avós.
My name is Pascal. I am Dutch, 44 years old. I moved here to Urban 2 years ago, and I have a permaculture project here. The project has to do with regenerative agriculture, meaning I want to start a diverse farm here, animals, fruits, vegetables. And in order to do that, I need to undertake a couple of projects, one of which is making terraces on the hill behind me. And why do I want to make terraces? That is because I need it. The soil needs it for various reasons. It's very dry here in summer, and the terraces are meant to capture water in the soil so I can grow vegetables, but it also serves as what they call a fire break. Next to that, it has to do with biodiversity, because the soil on this finca behind me now is too poor and I cannot grow many things on there. I need a water buffer in the soil in order to create in order to grow fruit trees, vegetables, flowers, also erosion mitigation plants, and I cannot do that right now. If you look behind me, the types of trees that you find there now are very limited. In the Ancares, we have a biodiversity problem because almost everything that you see growing is either an oak tree or a chestnut tree. And there's very little biodiversity there right now. The larger the number of different trees and plants you have, the more resilient any ecosystem is to all kinds of threats, including climate change. I have been in love with Galicia since I came here the first time 14 years ago. And I've always wanted to farm and work in nature, work outside, create food, grow food. But I've never been attracted to being what they call a conventional farmer. I've always wanted to do it in a way where you mimic nature. You use what is already there in nature rather than fighting against it. Regenerative agriculture makes sure that you don't take from a system and you don't give. What we need is fair prices for food and farmers to realize that there are other ways to produce food without those huge investments. And that's a big ask, because I'm asking people to change how they do things and change how they think. And that's why I want to have a demonstration farm.